Greetings, my name is DANIELA. I am a student and in the Christian University of Indonesia. I am from the Social and Politics faculty. Today I'll be presenting about my goals and ambitions. So my goals and my goals and ambitions for the future are: in the future, I shall be peaceful with myself. I will reach my dreams and making my hopes comes true. I shall make my parents and my family proud. But for now, I will study hard for the future that comes in my way. I will work hard to get the things that I wanted, despite all the difficulties and all these obstacles in life. I shall be tough and not break down under pressure from difficult tasks, and all of this shall be made by me because will be responsible for the nation's future. And lastly, I will be forever grateful for everything I achieve in life, to God and my family. Thank you.